Good morning, class. Now we are going to work on trigonometric ratio of special angles. So all these special angles, they are very useful when you are given a question, especially maybe in WAEC, in Cambridge, in entrance exam to university, or to even for any program that you want to go for. So all these kind of special angles, they are important because they will ask you to solve some mathematics question without using calculator. So once you understand the special angle, you will be able to solve it without wasting much of your time. So now this afternoon we are going to work with angles, special angles, like angle 30 degree, angle 45 degree, and angle 60 degrees. So we are going to work on those three angles now. So the first one now, let's work on it. We have our special angle. So that's the first one. So now, when you look at it now, so this our angle 60 degree, this angle 30 degree. So when you look at what we have now, so this side you represent it with 1, 1, 2, 2. Are we together? Then the middle one you represent it with √3. Are we together? So once you have it like this now, there are so many things they can ask you to find. They can ask you to find sine. So we have sine, cos, cosine, and tangent. So now there is one formula we normally give students to master it. So we have there is what we call there is what we call car, and there is what we call to. So this car, toa. So it now means sine, whatever they ask you to find. Now let's start with sine 30 degree now. They ask to find sine 30 degree. So equals to, you know our sine now, you come to here, sine equals to opposite over hypotenuse. So now it means opposite over hypotenuse. Are we together? So which is equals to, so when you now look at it, this is sine 30, this is the opposite to it, which is 1. And where is hypotenuse? This is the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse means the longest side of the angle. So it will now be 1/2. Are we together? So that's sine 30 degree equals to 1/2. And when you press your calculator, it will give you 0.5. Are we together? So now after that, so we also have cos 30 degree. So cos 30 degree equals to, so you go to car, adjacent over hypotenuse, which is adjacent over hypotenuse. Now equals to, what's cos 30? Adjacent over hypotenuse. This opposite, this adjacent, this hypotenuse. So adjacent over hypotenuse means √3/2. And when you press your calculator, it will give you this. Now the third one, which is tan 30 degree. So tan 30 degree, which is toa now, opposite over adjacent. So this our opposite and this adjacent. Opposite over adjacent, which is equals to, our opposite is 1, adjacent is √3. So that's how to use special angle to find those special angles. Now as we now have it, we are done with 30 degrees now. Then we are moving to 60 degrees. So now we know we have 60 degrees there. So it will now give us what? The first thing we are going to solve now is what? Sine 60 degree. So sine 60 degree, you know that sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So this is 60 degree now. This is the opposite. This is the hypotenuse. It will now give us root 3 over 2. That's sine 60. Then we also solve for cos 60 degree. Cos 60 degree equals to adjacent over hypotenuse. So this is 60 now. This is the opposite. This is the adjacent. Adjacent over hypotenuse. It will now give us 1 over 2. Are we together now? So then we move to tan 60 degree. Tan means opposite over adjacent. So tan opposite over adjacent. It will now give us root 3 over 1. And when you press your calculator, it's going to give you the same answer. Are we together? So that's how to solve for 60 degree too. Now the next one now is 45 degrees. Let's now solve for 45 degrees now. So we draw the angle for 45 degrees too. So this is the angle for 45 degrees. We have our 45 degrees like that. Are we together? So this side will be 1, this side will be 1, and this side will be root 2. So that's our 45 degree. So now let's now find it. The first thing that is sine 45 degree. So now sine 45 degree equals to what? Opposite over hypotenuse. So this opposite, this hypotenuse, which is 1 over root 2. Then now cos 45 degree equals to car adjacent over hypotenuse. This adjacent, this hypotenuse, which is 1 over root 2. Then the last one, which is tan 45 degree. Tan 45 degree, which is toa, opposite over what? Adjacent. Opposite over adjacent, which is 1 over 1, which is equals to 1. So and when you press your calculator tan 45 degree, it must give you 1. So that's how to use special angles to solve any mathematical problem they ask us to solve without using calculator. So if you have learned something on this, kindly help us subscribe to our YouTube channel, help us share it, download it. Bye.